Hi, my name's Mackenzie. I'm a Flight Centre Travel Expert, and I recently went on a trip to Rome. The capital of Italy is a captivating city with history spanning over 2,500 years. Home to the Colosseum, Trevi Fountain, and other iconic landmarks, there is a rich story waiting to be told. Rome offers an abundance of art, culture, and everything that makes an Italian holiday unforgettable. Delicious cuisine, fine wines, mouth-watering gelato, exceptional coffee, and of course, a passion for the good life. Let's get you ready to explore this amazing city with everything you need to know for your trip to Rome. Trying to figure out the best time to visit Rome? Well, the good news is Rome is beautiful all year round, so it really just depends on what you're looking for. Summer in Rome can be hot, with temperatures getting as high as 32 degrees. This is also one of the most popular times of year for tourists, which can mean longer lines and more time spent waiting for attractions. Spring and autumn bring much milder weather, making it a great time to get out and explore the city. During these seasons, you can expect temperatures around 22 to 24 degrees. This time of year also tends to be less popular with tourists, making it a great time to avoid the crowds. While snow in Rome is very rare, winter can still be quite chilly, with temperatures dropping as low as 2 degrees. But this is the perfect time of year if you're looking to experience some of Rome's Christmas festivities. Rome is an ancient city filled with so many must-see classics that it can be hard to fit it all into a single trip. The Colosseum is one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. It's over 2,000 years old and is known for once hosting gladiator battles and grand spectacles. If you're looking to come here, we recommend skipping the lines and booking your tickets early. Entry starts from around €18, but if you want to pay a little bit extra, you could get a guided tour. However, we can't promise that you'll see Pedro Pascal. Located near the Colosseum, you'll also find the Roman Forum. Walk through the ruins and you'll see the remnants of grand temples, basilicas, and ancient streets. Admission to the Roman Forum will often be included in your ticket to the Colosseum. When in Rome, you can't miss one of the most famous fountains in the world, the Trevi Fountain. According to the local law, if you use your right hand and throw a coin into the fountain over your left shoulder, you'll one day return to Rome. It's estimated that about €3,000 are thrown into the fountain every single day, which, collected annually is €1.5 million. Another bucket list item to tick off in Rome would be the Spanish Steps. Make your way up the 135 stairs to the top and you'll be treated to some of the best views in the city. And the best part is it's absolutely free. Pantheon is one of Rome's best preserved monuments. It's almost 2,000 years old, and it was originally built as a temple to the 12 Greek gods. It's since been transformed into a church and remains active today. Located in the heart of Rome, you'll also find the Vatican City, where you can explore St. Peter's Basilica, the Sistine Chapel, and a number of museums. When deciding where to stay in Rome, it really depends on what you're looking for. Rome is filled with iconic landmarks, which means it won't be hard to find something nearby. There's also a range of options to suit any budget. If you're wanting to be close to landmarks such as the Colosseum, Roman Forum, or Trevi Fountain, then you'll want to consider staying in the historical centre. The area has been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and most streets are closed to traffic, which means you can explore at your own pace. For a more authentic Roman experience, stay in the Trastevere area. Many people consider this to be one of the most beautiful places to stay in Rome. If you want to experience Rome as a shopping mecca, we recommend staying near the Tridente. There are 3 streets that diverge from Piazza del Popolo and form the Tridente. Here you'll find a mix of international brands and local stores. The food in Italy is considered some of the best in the world, and its capital Rome is no exception. The city is packed with amazing bars, cafes, and restaurants, so you'll never go hungry. Of course, you can't come to Italy without grabbing a slice of pizza. But when in Rome, we recommend sampling a slice of pizza al taglio. This dish is a Roman specialty, where the pizza is baked in a rectangular shape and served with a variety of toppings. For pasta lovers, you can't miss tasting an authentic bowl of carbonara. This Roman classic was invented in the mid-20th century and has since become loved across the globe. Gelato is another Italian classic that you must try. After a day of eating your body weight in carbs, this is the perfect sweet treat. You'll be able to find gelato shops dotted across the city, but make sure you look for the ones that are milder in colour, as they're more authentic and flavoursome. One of the great things about Rome is it's a very walkable city. You'll find that something to do is never far away. Walking is a great way to really discover the city, and it gives you the chance to spot hidden gems that you might have missed on a bus or a train. However, if a particular attraction is a bit further away, there are plenty of ways for you to get there. The city's public transport system is a great and affordable way to get around. The metro lines connect many of Rome's neighbourhoods with popular sites, making it easy to get from one place to another. Buses also run throughout the city and can help you get to where you need to go. Taxis or Ubers are also available in Rome, however these can be a little bit more on the expensive side. Conveniently located in the centre of Italy, Rome makes an ideal base for exploring other parts of the country. Popular trips to do from Rome include Tuscany, the Amalfi Coast, Florence and Pompeii. Rome is a city that truly has it all. Whether you're exploring centuries-old ruins, tossing a coin in the Trevi Fountain, or indulging in the best pasta of your life, every moment in Rome is unforgettable. Did this video help you plan your next trip? Make Flight Centre your centre for travel and subscribe for expert tips, destination guides, and everything that you need to know for your next adventure. And if you've been to Rome before, let us know in the comments. What was your favourite thing to do in the city? We'd love to hear your recommendations.